Here I have XIAOMI Mi 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So to do this, just open settings, then go to the additional settings, then to accessibility, and then to TalkBack. Here you can enable this TalkBack, tap allow, and after that
TalkBack is a screen reader primarily for people with blindness and low vision. TalkBack tutorial. TalkBack off.
Oh, so after that the TalkBack tutorial starts.
TalkBack on. TalkBack. Back button.
And that's how.
Tap to activate. Double tap. Accessibility. Back button.
And that's how it works.
Double tap to
So
activate.
if you want to disable it, just go to the TalkBack one more time.
Additional settings. Back button.
Oh,
Double tap. Accessible. TalkBack on. TalkBack. Back. Accessibility. Alert stop TalkBack. TalkBack off.
and that's how you can disable it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.